this beautiful dish, guys. Welcome back to Veeology. I am Vondessa and I am the queen to this VeeHive. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. You have been Veedified. And if you're returning, hello, hi, and welcome back. So guys, today is a sponsored video and this company reached out to me. I love working with them. I am now an ambassador for the company, and this time Malacase sent me this beautiful dish, guys. This dish is what you want in your kitchen. So no further ado, let me go ahead and give you all the specs when it comes down to this dish. So just looking at the first side of the dish, guys, it's absolutely beautiful with all of the marble of the dish and the ripple sides. It's 37 centimeters wide and 5.3 tall. And guys, you can do some of everything to this. You can bake, you can do as a regular plate, and look at this salad. Absolutely beautiful in this dish. And you can take it from the oven right to the table. It is $22.99, but you do have my discount code, and it is V10, VEE 10. And let's go right here. So right here, most dishes you have cannot stand 482 degrees Fahrenheit. They just can't, but this brand can. So you can do pies, bacon, and the width is 11 width and 2 high. So therefore, guys, the bacon, the Tart, the quiches, it's just endless. And you know, it's holiday time, and we have so much of summer coming against us. So, you know, it does not chip. It is odor resistant and stain resistant. And what do you always hate when you baking something and stains are left from any type of red sauce? So this dish, guys, it will not do it. So guys, today what I'm going to do with this dish, I decided to do a breakfast, I'm not sure what you would really call it, a breakfast casserole, I would say. So I'm going to bake it in this beautiful dish, and I am so happy. And Malachi, thank you for sending me this, because this matches some dishes that I also have from Home Goods. So thank you so much. So guys, for this recipe, what you're gonna need, you can use regular milk. I do use almond milk. We have totally came off drinking 2% milk, so we no longer drink 2% milk at all. We only drink almond milk and oat milk. Next, and I like cashew milk. Next, I have a Vidalia onion. We have some eggs, and also we have some Italian sausage. We have some grand biscuits, and this one is the honey butter. And we have some bacon bits. So the first thing I want to do, guys, I want to go ahead and put my meat in the pan so I can go ahead to start getting my sausages, because I want to make sure I have enough of meat, although I am adding bacon in it. And y'all, this is the cheap way. This meal, guys, is just like something that you can do in your home, especially the kids will soon be out for the summer. So kids out for summer, you can grab this and cook it very, very quickly, and oven is ready. And guys, by going on, and I'll have the link to this dish, this is the perfect size, and you will see exactly how I put this in here and what it's gonna look like after. So let's go ahead and start by getting our meats cooked, our onion all diced up, and then I will show you next how I'm going to put it in here and give you some specs of right here of everything you need. That'll be your ingredients, And also I'll give you the specs when we get ready to go to the next section of what your oven need to be on, what is the cooking time and all. So guys, let's go ahead and head on to the frying pan. It is officially done. Let me tell you about this dish, because besides the specs that I gave to you in the beginning of this video, I had absolutely no problem with my food sticking, the dish cracking, any of the salt. I will say my overall about this dish, outstanding, a definitely 5-star. The weight of it is very, very nice. And the marbling to it is just so pretty. And as you can tell, because you see, your girl did some cooking in it, because I wanted to make sure if I am going to come to you and bring something to you, that it's going to stand the test. So if you decide to purchase it, which the link will be in my description down below, if you decide to purchase this, I don't want you to come back and say, you know, hey, V, no girl, it did not do what it was supposed to do. I don't know what you're talking about. Well, I can stand on this because this dish did exactly what it was supposed to do. I mean, as you can see, girlfriend cut it. Absolutely no problem. Of course, some of the batter is going to bring it up, but we are talking about the dish. So, no further ado, I gave you this recipe. So, of course, your girl needs to taste test this. Lately, I'm allergic to eggs. I cannot eat bananas. I don't know what it is. Ever since I started the last time going through the cancer center and then going through infusions, guys, I cannot eat that. But nevertheless, guys, I am going to taste this. That's why I only put 4 eggs in this. So we finna taste this. Look at there. Right at first bite, you get a big burst of that sausage. Who say you can't have breakfast any time of the day? Y'all, it is. Let me show you what time it is now. Can you see that? It is 3:52 in the afternoon. And your girl, I tell my kids, I say I'm a cook. I'm gonna use my new dish because I got that sponsorship and I need to get it done. And they didn't let your girl down. So guys, if you decide to taste this recipe, super easy. Super easy. I think everything cost me $21. $21, and that to feed at least, not adults. Y'all already know. Y'all want a half of it. Can't do that. You can have 4 kids, and that's enough for 4 kids and adults. Put some fruit on the side. That is totally breakfast, okay? That is brunch. That is dinner, if you will, because that is what we're going to eat it for. So guys, I want to first say thank you so much to the company. Master, look, I have worked with you before. I absolutely love your stuff. And when this product came to me, I was like, oh my God, I have the dishes to match. Beautiful. So I am going to go to their website, guys, because they also have the platter. So I'm going to purchase the platter on my own because now that I know they have these pieces and they match my dishes from Home Goods, I want to make mine a complete whole set. You know, back in the days, your grandmama had the dishware, the glasses, the platter, the casserole. She had all of it. So when you got ready to do Thanksgiving dinner, Christmas dinner, or Mother's Day, or Easter, and you know Easter is this weekend, she had all that bad boy laid out. Everything is matching. So this is something that my kids, when I go on to wherever I'm gonna go in another world and another place, my kids can have this. My daughter's going to school to be an entertainment chef. So these are some things that she can also incorporate if she's just doing an intimate dinner with someone. So therefore, guys, you know, this is what she can actually use also. So guys, once again, go ahead and click the link below. Go over and hold up, because I forgot to get my code for y'all for a discount. So if I'm not mistaken, my code was V20. VEE20. So I will put it here. If I am correct, I will put it here. If I'm incorrect, the correct one would be right here, like right here. So go in there. They are very inexpensive, and to get a discount off it also, guys, you cannot beat it. And besides that, it's beautiful. And I'm gonna put a little in your ear. If you are the ones that got the marble dishes from the Dollar Tree, this would be banging with it to put out on your table. So what are you waiting on? Go down in that description box. Go ahead and click. Go over to Amazon. Go ahead and order. Enter in your girl code at the cash area and go ahead and enjoy your dish. And when you get it, you can come at this video, whatever, say, hey, V, I got that. Girl, that is good. Because that's exactly what you're going to say. Because I'm going to tell you, and you know your girl only going to stand for good things. If it's bad, I'm going to tell you it's bad. If it's good, I'm going to let you know. And this, guys, so good. So, what I'm going to do, if I have time, I am going to actually wash these in the dishwasher because they are dishwasher and microwave safe. So I am going to wash this in the dishwasher and we're going to see the results. So just stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and tell you some more specs about these dishes, if I might, and also give you the code. And hopefully I did have the correct code. And just go click and look at it. They have so many other products. They have beautiful products. Guys, I was on the website and I'm sitting there like, oh my gosh, I want this, I want that, I want that, I want this, I want beautiful. But guys, guess what? You have to tune in tomorrow because they sent me something else and your girl will be also showing it that. So I am their brand ambassador. I love it. And guys, thank you so much. And to the company, thank you. I mean, they are the most easiest company to work with. I would give it to them hands down. When I send an email back, boom, email right back. I send an email back, boom, email right. And you know, like some companies, it takes forever. You look, okay, it's 9:30 Monday. Here it is 9:30 Wednesday, and still nothing. Here it is Saturday, 9:30, the end of that week, and still no. Not this company. If you email them at 8:30 a.m. by 8:40, you have a response. Your email is there. So customer service, outstanding. I mean outstanding. Products, outstanding. So guys, let me just go ahead and start running my mouth. At the end of this video, you will go ahead and see what it looks like once it came out of the dishwasher, because I am going to run it through the dishwasher. You will see me load it. So yes, guys, so please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out, tell a neighbor, tell a friend, and you know what your girl is going to tell you all at the end of this video. I gotta go, but I will be back. Until the next time, guys, you know what time it is. Your girl going to eat. Bye, guys.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay. I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us